Hello everyone, welcome to Cryptostellar, a place where you can learn more about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, and Metaverse. Now, if you want to be a part of the Stellar Squad, click that subscribe button down below to show some love and support for this channel. Now, let's get right into the video. Today, we are covering Theta Token, and specifically, we are covering the future of Theta Token and also some price prediction and news for Theta Token. So let's get right into the video. So as we can see, Theta Token or Theta Network is right now at $2.7. It's 9% down in 24 hours. Now, this is the graph right here from 1 year, and all-time high was $14. Almost $14.50, which is really great, and it dipped down just a little bit right here. Not really a little bit, but a lot, and you can see that it's right now almost at $3, which is a lot of the drop after reaching $14 in April of 2021, which is crazy. So right now it's still great time to buy. Again, do your own research, not a financial advice, but this token has a lot to offer and a great future, and we'll see why. Now, as you can see, Theta ecosystem will drop in approximately 1 day, 11 hours 41 minutes, as you can see right here. And we can also see some, if we click here, we can see the white paper and everything about this Theta ecosystem. So if you want to learn more about this ecosystem from Theta, you can go here and click learn more to learn more about their ecosystem. Now, as you can see, they have a pretty good team, and that's why I personally believe in Theta Token. And you can see that they have a great co-founder, CEOs that already have been successful in many other areas other than blockchain, and they also have a big team, blockchain team, and I think that's why Theta will perform really good in the future. They have great innovations, great ecosystem, and yeah, overall it's really professional token. So let's cover what Theta's ecosystem is all about and why it's such a massive improvement that will happen in 24 hours. So as you can see, the Theta Edge network will need to expand from video, data delivery, and computing to decentralized storage to support this fully integrated vision. With an increased focus on video on demand, NFTs, and digital collectibles, Theta's network of elite edge nodes are a perfect medium to store and deliver all types of digital media, including video, images, music, and any digital asset. So Theta will finally focus on NFTs, digital collectibles, because that's obviously the future, and also they will focus on many other innovations. And as you can see, Theta's network of elite edge nodes are a perfect medium to store and deliver all types of digital media, including video, images, music, and any digital asset. So this is going to be really big because Theta will finally improve their token and improve their tokenomics that way. And I think again, it's a great future. It's looking like a great future. So if you want to read this whole article, I will link it down below. But let's see Theta's coin price prediction for this particular year and where this token could go in the future. So as we can see, we're right now at currency.com. Right here we can see the Theta coin suffered huge losses over the cryptocurrency crash of 19th May 2021. By 3rd June it was worth almost $9, considerably more than it was at the start of 2021, but still no way near its all-time highs of a few months earlier, hitting lows of $4.75 in late September. So here are some of the Theta coin price predictions, right? We already know the coin dipped really big, and it was not really looking that good. And looking to the future, Wallet Investor has Theta price prediction of $9.32 in a year and almost $30 in 5 years. Digital coin price is a bit more cautious, saying it should reach $8.33 after 1 year and up to almost $15 in 5 years in 2027. While I think these are all good price predictions, I think Theta will reach all-time high and even more this year in 2022, and I think we should be able to see at least $20 this year, just because of how they're improving their token and just because of how early we are still, but still they are going to innovate and the coin will grow itself, because the price will grow and the demand will grow, because they are introducing some new tokenomics, they are introducing new ecosystem, new innovations, and I think this will drive the price up drastically. So in about 6 to 12 months, we should see anywhere from $14 to $20. Again, this is just pure speculation, but judging on the facts and judging on what they're working on, I think this could happen in 6 to 12 months. So we'll definitely see what happens, but this is our price prediction for Theta Token. Again, $14 to $20, definitely happening this year. Again, do your own research. This is not a financial advice, but this is what we think of, because Theta Token has a lot to offer still. So if you like NFTs, if you like altcoins, if you like this type of coverages, then you will like our videos. We're posting 3 videos every single week, and you will like these videos, so definitely subscribe down below to catch up with trends and to stay up to date with all the altcoins and everything that is happening right now in the crypto space. Now, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next Crypto Stellar video.